Today, we delve into a journey tracing roots back to the Latin word par, meaning equal. From this tiny seed, a forest of English words has grown, each with its unique shade of meaning, yet all tracing back to the concept of equality or equivalence. Take compare, for instance, which literally means to pair together. It's the art of placing things side by side, measuring them against each other to discern similarities or differences. Then there's prepare, inviting us into the realm of making ready beforehand, setting things on equal footing before starting. Dive deeper and you'll encounter saparate, a term that, at first glance, might seem distant from unity. Yet, its essence lies in creating parts that are equally distinct, partitioning wholes into balanced portions. Similarly, impartial paints the picture of not leaning to one side, embodying fairness by treating all parties as equals without bias. This linguistic voyage uncovers the beauty of etymology, revealing how a simple Latin root like par blossoms into a diverse lexicon. Each word, a story of connection, balance, and harmony, invites us to appreciate the profound symmetry in language and life.